Welcome. Let's simplify this. This look like nothing can be done again. 1 minus x squared divided by 1 plus x. Maybe you'll be thinking you will cancel the 1 and the 1 will cancel. Then the x will go here 1. So the answer will just be x. No, that will not be possible. What we are going to do, the moment you are giving fraction or algebraic fraction in this form, which looks so simple, it means something can be done to simplify either the numerator or the denominator to get a common factor. So you can see that with the square here, meaning I can be able to get 1 plus x also in the expression 1 minus x squared. So now we have to think of how we can work with 1 minus x squared to get a term 1 plus x. And I'm sure nothing comes to mind than what? Difference of 2 squared. And you are right if we think of that. So let's see how we can easily do that. We are having 1 minus x squared, 1 plus x. If we want to rewrite this, 1 is going to be, let's indicate as 1 squared, x squared, 1 plus x. The 1 square will still give me 1. So I have a difference between 2 squared. And that can be simplified or factorized as 1 plus x in one bracket, 1 minus x in the next bracket. So we divide by 1 plus x, which in this case we can see the common factor we are looking for. This will cancel this. You have 1 minus x as your answer. So you can see we can simplify our algebraic expression when we can be able to have a common factor of 1, either the denominator or the denominator in the other expression. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.